Sick in your throat, son?
Oh, these cigarettes, Father.
Brandy smoking?
These?
Oh, those are for sinners.
Oh?
You should try it. New Testament cigarettes.
New Testament, huh?
They've got that revolutionary incense filter.
I'll try one.
What do you think?
Good flavor. Smooth, too.
You stick to New Testament cigarettes and all is forgiven.
Thank you, Father.
New Testament cigarettes. I smoke them. He smokes them.